on Facebook today? Of course you have. And so have over 1 billion other people all over the world. And what did you post about in the last 24 or 48 hours? And did that post enable your friends or fans the ability to give you their email address right there on their newsfeed without having to go to another site or click anything at all? If not, then don't do another post on Facebook without fbpostmagic.com.
With our innovative, powerful, and effective software, you can quickly and easily turn your everyday Facebook post into an actual capture page or sales page right within the Facebook newsfeed. These posts are 100% customizable to fit your brand or product offering, and you can tell the software to send your friends to any website of your choice after clicking your desired call to action.
And what's really unique and powerful about our software is you can put any YouTube video of your choice into the post and even create timed events so that your call to action doesn't even appear until you want it to.
PostMagic integrates with all major autoresponders, allowing you to build your list. And yes, our posts are even mobile friendly.
Your days of entering a link into a Facebook post are over. Get started today by entering your information below and start adding magic to your Facebook posts now.
You can actually sign up right now 100% free. Of course, you'll have limited functionality, but you'll be able to get a great feel for how the software works, how simple it is to use, and how valuable it's going to be in your business. Once you decide you absolutely love this thing and you can't live without it, which you already have, you can keep the software and open up the Pro member features by paying just a small monthly fee of only $67. Now, however, if you're like the thousands of people who saw this product, loved it, and can't wait to get your hands on it, and really don't want to waste any valuable time with a basic membership, then we want to reward you for taking immediate action right now. So if you take action and buy right now, we'll allow you to lock in your membership for just the low monthly price of only $27. Here's the deal though, you only have right now to decide if you want to take us up on this incredibly generous offer. Because if you choose to only sign up as a basic member right now, you will have to pay the $67 a month once you decide you want to use the product and take full advantage of what it has to offer and come back to buy it later. So before you make your decision, let me just say this. If you use Facebook at all for the purpose of making money or growing a business, you are going to buy this product at one point or another. It's inevitable. So why not pay the least amount possible for it? It only makes sense, right? So lock in your monthly membership at the incredibly low cost of only $27 a month instead of paying the $67 or more per month it will be once we close access to this offer on June 12th, 2013. Do yourself a favor. Don't do another post on Facebook without this powerful software.